Conquering the morning. Understanding. Struggle to wake up. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very relatable topic for many of us. The struggle to wake up. Have you ever found it incredibly difficult to leave the comfort of your bed and start your day? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore what this phrase means, why it happens, and some tips to overcome it. Let's get started and make those mornings a little easier. When we say someone struggles to wake up, we're talking about the difficulty they face in transitioning from sleep to wakefulness. It's not just about feeling sleepy. It's about the real effort it takes to leave bed, often accompanied by feelings of grogginess, disorientation, or even a strong desire to go back to sleep. This struggle can affect anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle, and can vary from day to day. There are several reasons why waking up can be a struggle. Some of the most common include lack of sleep. Not getting enough sleep can make it harder to wake up feeling refreshed. Poor sleep quality. Even if you spend enough hours in bed, disruptions or poor sleep cycles can lead to a difficult wake up. Stress and anxiety. Worrying can affect your sleep quality and make mornings particularly challenging. Sleep disorders. Conditions like insomnia or sleep apnea can severely impact your ability to wake up easily. Lifestyle factors. Irregular sleeping patterns, excessive screen time before bed, and consuming caffeine or alcohol late in the day can all contribute. Fortunately, there are strategies you can implement to make waking up a bit easier. 1. Establish a routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and at a comfortable temperature. 3. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from screens can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. 4. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep cycle and make it harder to wake up. 5. Prepare for the next day. Lay out your clothes, prepare your breakfast, or write a to-do list the night before to reduce morning stress. Waking up can be a struggle, but understanding why it happens and how to manage it can make all the difference. By adjusting your habits and creating a conducive sleep environment, you can start your day off on the right foot. We hope these insights and tips help make your mornings smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, a good start to the day sets the tone for everything that follows. Thanks for watching, and here's to better mornings ahead.